Welcome back to Full Course Online. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to add and format shapes in PowerPoint. Shapes are a great way to illustrate ideas and make your slides more engaging. Let me insert a new blank slide. Now we want to draw a shape on this slide. For that, go to the Insert tab, click on Shapes, and select the one you need. Click and drag on your slide to draw the shape. As you can see, we have drawn a blue rectangle. Let us change its color. Select the shape if it is not already selected. A contextual ribbon called Shape Format will appear. Now click on the arrow next to the Shape Fill button and select the color you want. You can pick from the given colors, or use the eyedropper tool to choose a color from the screen. You can also apply a picture, texture, or gradient instead of a solid color. If you want to remove the color completely, choose the No Fill option. Now let us change the outline, or border, of the shape. Select the shape again if it is not selected. Then from the Shape Format ribbon, click the arrow next to Shape Outline. Here you can change the border color, width, and style. You can also add text inside shapes. Simply right-click the shape, choose Add Text, and start typing. Resize or rotate shapes by dragging the handles around them. You can also change the position of a shape on the slide using the Align tool and the Shape Format ribbon. There are many alignment options, select whichever suits your slide. Now let us add some more shapes and arrange them. I have a rectangle, a circle, and a triangle shape. Let me bring the circle in front. Select the circle shape and go to Arrange. Click Bring Forward. And as you can see, the circle is now above the other shapes. If you enjoyed learning this, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to Full Course Online for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.